Are you on the hunt for the perfect vehicle to get the job done right the first time? Then take a look at this 2017 ProMaster City WAGON SLT in quartz gray. With halogen headlamps, electronic roll mitigation, 16-inch steel wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tinted sunscreen glass, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, sliding doors with vented glass, heavy-duty suspension, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8417A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.